How to recover deleted text messages on Android. If you have deleted your text messages on your Android device, there are a few ways that you can recover them. The first one is if you just go ahead and open up your settings or your message icon first. And once you get to messages, tap on the profile icon. From here, if you have backed up your messages, you could find it on your Google Drive. So tap on message settings. And once you get to these general settings, you could see the backup options here, but if you don't see it, go ahead and open up your Google Drive. And once you open up your Google Drive, tap on the three dots at the top left corner, and then go to Backups. Once you are here, if your messages have been backed up, you can find the option right here, and you can easily restore the chats from there. But if you cannot find it there, go to your settings on your phone. Scroll down until you find accounts and backups. Then go there, go to backup data or restore data. And if you have backed up your messages, it will show up here and you can easily restore the messages. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.